Hey guys, I'm Phoenix here and welcome to FrozenSkies. First off, new main menu. The flickering light needs to be slowed down a bit, but yeah, that's the new main menu because basically the old one wasn't really feeling epic enough. So, what else have I done? Right, town's been rearranged a little. We've got a office. This is going to be an office block, towering above everything. There's shops with roof. Got the garage is now over here next to the clinic, and we've also got this sort of warehouse district here with new barrels and crates, and it's all sort of I'm just sort of detailing it up a little bit. This is still the red area, lots of things which either haven't been textured yet or they're sort of still in some kind of progress. Right, I have added 3 new walls. We've got the stone wall, brick wall, and the sort of the wooden fence. This one's being a bit finicky at the moment, but they are all destructible, and you can right click on them. And it will show the status, what it is, and information about it, like so. You can do that with quite a few objects now. Trees are exactly the same. They show the health and what it is basically. What else? The building stuff. It's sort of I'm kind of rolling through various features and recoding quite a lot of it. So the buildings are going to be changed slightly in that when you first drop your building down, you'll get an unfinished model, and then you add components to this to make it a finished one. So this is the unfinished model for the wooden fence. So that's what the wooden fence will look like, only obviously it'll be textured rather than just blue and UV. So that's that. Got new tent model, which doesn't look right at the moment. There'll be new models for quite a few buildings. Just kind of doing a pass through and doing everything up. We've also got the new flammable barrels and the new crate model. This will be the weapons crate model and texture. At the moment it acts as a tool crate, which you can click on and take whatever's in it. Last thing that I can think of is this thing. So this is my prototype model set up for the missile launcher system. So, important things to know about the missile launcher systems. You can left click on it and you have to enter a password. By default, the password or the launch code is 12 zeros. This is a hail back to the Minuteman missile systems. For quite some time, the American Navy just had a default code of 12 zeros for all of their nuclear weapons. That's changed now. They decided sometime in the 70s that actually they might want to issue some proper launch codes for their missiles rather than just having 12 zeros. So that's where that comes from. You can change the code, and then you can just cancel that so I can look up. You can then launch stuff, and at the moment it's cubes. Don't let the cubes hit you because they will kill you outright. I'm not sure why. I haven't told them to do it, but that's what they do. So, and then as you can see, if you just click on it again without locking the system, you'll be able to launch it again. You can then lock it and then cancel, and then if you click on it again, you have to enter a launch code again. If you've got a screwdriver, which I think I do, yeah, this hasn't quite been. All of this system will be upgraded to this sort of toggle thing. So as you can see, I've redone the equip items a little bit, so it's a little bit more user friendly. So yeah, if you've got the screwdriver equipped, you can change the launch codes. Top one's the old code, then these two, that's the new code, and confirm new code, and then hit confirm, and then your new launch code will be whatever. That's interesting. It used to work. For some reason that's not working, but it will work. That's basically the idea behind it anyway. So that's Frozen Skies. As you can see, I've moved quite a lot of trees, or rather I've removed a lot of trees. They weren't quite working, especially in the video. I did a video a couple of weeks back, and trees were causing some issues. So I've removed all of the trees over here, apart from that one, and all the there's still a load of trees up over there for you to chop down. There is a new build up on the Steam community site. Not quite sure how new it is. I think it's just before I added the new main menu. I'm not quite ready to release this build yet, so yeah, I can't remember how old the other build is. Probably a couple of weeks now, so very old. So that's Frozen Skies. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.